Weather-wise, it's been a quiet Sunday across South Africa with lots of sunshine and warm maximum temperatures, other than a bit of cloud still passing over parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and a band of high cloud moving through the Eastern Cape. Overnight, we're expecting fine and dry conditions with a dry forecast as we head into the start of the work week and a predominantly sunny day across South Africa on Monday. We'll also start to see hot weather move in over the western part of the country with a bit of cloud moving over the northeastern interior and partly cloudy conditions with that coastal low, particularly for the Western Cape coastline. Now here's our rainfall probability map for tonight, and although we're expecting a predominantly dry forecast, we're still keeping in a slight chance of thundershower activity, and that's mainly for the Highveld. Overnight, we're expecting a minimum temperature of 9 degrees for Bloemfontein with clear conditions in the forecast with a light southwesterly wind, and then tomorrow we'll see a west-northwesterly wind of up to 20 kilometers per hour with a hot Monday in store at 32 degrees and sunny conditions with blue skies overhead. On our wind map, you'll see a southeasterly wind for the Western Cape with that onshore flow along the east coast. And then as we head into Monday, you'll start to see that warm air starting to move in over the western part of the country, resulting in a hot day, particularly over the western part of South Africa, with a northeasterly wind expected along the east coast, and that picks up on Monday afternoon. Overnight, we're expecting a minimum temperature of 13 degrees for Johannesburg, Port Elizabeth and Mbombela, 14 for Pietermaritzburg, 15 for Pretoria and Durban, 10 degrees for Uppington and Polokwane, with a warm night in store for Springbok with a minimum of only 21, 4 degrees for Sutherland and Cape Town dropping to 17 overnight. On Monday, we can expect a high of 28 for Cape Town with a warm day for Gauteng with daytime highs in the upper 20s, with a hot forecast for Uppington and Vredendal both at 37, 31 for De Aar and Pietermaritzburg, and a high of 28 for Mbombela. Our extended forecast then takes us into Tuesday, where you'll see a warm to hot day across the country. Uppington topping 40 degrees with a band of isolated thundershowers starting to form between the Northern Cape and the Eastern Cape coast, with a sunny and hot forecast for Gauteng. Then on Wednesday, we'll see an increase in thundershower activity with that band intensifying, extending from Botswana right the way through to the east coast, and Cape Town and George can expect cooler weather with a passing shower or two at 21 degrees. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Stay with us for further updates.
News that moves. eNCA.com.